Alrighty, so I just wanted to film something short. I've done something really fucking cool, and I'm super fucking proud of this. So, Halfway Hangs is in a couple days. So, we head up to Valla Beach to the track there, and we're gonna have some good fun for a couple days. But I wanted to do something a bit. It's something I've wanted to do for years, and something that's fucking cool. Basically, you always saw like the old shows where it was like, what was the show called? The fuck was it called? Where you guys know what I mean. I can't remember the fucking name of the show right now, but where it would be like modifying cars back in the day, and it was fucking shit. Like now you're looking to go, these mods are crap, but they're a cool thing then. So, fuck, what was it called? You know the show, man. It has Exhibit in it. Pin My Ride, that's the show. So like they'd always put like screens and a PS2 in a car, or like a console or something in a car. It was always cool. So Halfway Hangs, as I said, is in a couple days, and so we've got a bit of a drive ahead of us. So I've got Josh coming with me as well. And because that means there's gonna be two of us in the car, I don't have to drive the entire way, so I can kind of have a bit of fun. And so I've done this. So if you see on the screen right there, if you can see it, that is Need for Speed Underground 2, which was one of my favourite games. One of my favourite games as a kid was to play that. So I currently have a PS2 running in my car. I'm going to try and show you guys here. That's the screen. And then if we look over this side, that is a PS2. Hang on a second. Right, that is a PS2 running. So I'm running it off of, that's a little power inverter right there. That was about $60 from Jaycar. I think that's $60. And that'll run the voltage, and then that's got then the power brick and everything that comes with the slim line, and then that's all plugged in the cigarette lighter. The screen's then plugged in, and it was all plugged in by the back with AV. So the coolest bit about all of this is I had a bit of a look. The head unit also has a HDMI input, so I in theory can run like an Xbox One or an Xbox 360 in here, but I am a bit worried about laser burn and potentially damaging some discs with the movement of the car, because the ultimate goal is to be able to play some games in the passenger seat while driving, while not having to fuck around too much. So I thought that was pretty fucking cool to be able to have this. This was something I've seen for years, and I've always thought it'd be cool to do, but fuck it, it's a double-din touch screen. I think it's like a 7-inch screen, so it's not huge, but I guess with the clarity that these old games have, they look great as a kid. This thing, I was probably like 10 when I played this, and thank God my my style of modifying cars has changed a little bit, because goddamn, I've loaded up my old memory card, and there are some bad stuff here. Like, it's fucking ugly. That being said, at the time I thought it was cool as shit. Like, I thought having like a fucking Hyundai Tiburon coupe with flames and a Burger King logo was the coolest thing on the fucking planet. Newsflash, kid, it's not. Like, shit's fucking bad, but I thought it was cool. And don't forget the purple reflective window tint. That's cool as shit too. But I always thought this would be cool to do, so we're gonna take a couple games with me. Just want to grab some, which game I never had as a kid was Grand Theft Auto. So I just went and bought San Andreas earlier today, and then gonna take that with me. Some Gran Turismo. Why not? It's fucking cool. And as well, very, in a sense, period correct to the car, being, seeing this thing was made 2002. It's the same sort of time as these games, so it's actually really fucking cool to have something like this in this car. So probably not going to stay in here all the time, but very cool to have and just be able to, chuck in and have some fun with. But yeah, so we'll be doing some stuff for Halfway Hang, so I will be filming, and yeah, should be good. So keep posted. I'm going to make a video from that. No matter how shit it is and how little I do, I will be making a video, because I need to actually start doing stuff again. It's been a while, but it's going to be a very, very fun weekend, which technically starts on Thursday and ends on Monday. But anyway, should be good. Until then, I will catch you guys later, and sorry for the shitty quality on this one, being that I filmed it on my phone, so it's a bit, how you going? But, it's something. I'm not going to go grab a camera for sitting in the car. So yeah, enjoy. I'll see you guys soon.
And they say she's so lost, can't be found. Lives in a palace up in the clouds. Hold on for dear like you're coming down. Baby, you know there's no stopping now. She's ice cold, classy as